Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable the built-in administrator account in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable the built-in administrator account in Windows, you can use several methods depending on your edition, Home, Pro, Enterprise, and Access level. Here's a clear breakdown. Method 1, Command Prompt, works on all editions. Enable, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run. Disable, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run. If the account has been renamed, replace administrator with the actual name. Method 2, PowerShell, all editions. Enable. Disable. Run these in PowerShell as administrator. Method 3, local users and groups, Pro, Enterprise, Education. Press Windows key +R, type LUS or MGR.MSC, press Enter. Go to Users, double-click Administrator. Check or uncheck account is disabled. Click OK. Method 4, local security policy, Pro, Enterprise, Education. Press Windows key +R, type SECPOL.MSC, press Enter. Navigate to Local Policies, then Security Options. Double-click Accounts, Administrator Account Status, set to Enabled or Disabled. Click Apply and OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.